Hello guys, welcome to rm24.com YouTube channel. Name is Vadim and today we're talking about the repair. According to statistics, the most common problem that repair workshops turn to is the inability to charge a smartphone from a charger. At the moment, the segment is dominated by repairs of smartphones from the Samsung manufacturer. Recently, we received a Samsung Galaxy A31 for repair. The problem is that the smartphone is not charging from the charger. We saw damage on the display and the back cover. Potentially, we already expect specific damage inside and exclude liquid penetration. After removing the covers, a preliminary visual inspection does not give us a single clue in our investigation, and we proceed to a detailed inspection. We look at the subboard, the system connector or charging port, although quite worn out, but the contacts are all in place. The interboard cable connector as well as the tracks and pins appear intact. We turn to the inspection of the motherboard, and at the first glance at the connector of the interboard cable we see obvious damage, which is partially hidden by the gasket. We peel off the gasket and assess the extent of the damage in its entirety. We examine the interboard cable. There is a slight deformation, but are not obvious damage. Probably the cable will work. Just about the connector of the shield hiding the microchips, we see a dent. Now we can say that after a fall or impact, the interboard cable stretched so hard that it tore out part of the connector. Why is it possible? The reason is quite simple. The cable is very short and tight. Even a slight bend can pull the cable so hard that the connector simply comes off at the point of tension. Judging by the deformation of the connector, we will not be able to repair it and must replace the entire part. Let's move on to our repair. We unsolder the old connector, clean the surface, apply flux, preparing a new connector. We solder a new connector. We use a soldering station with a soldering iron. We assemble the smartphone for testing, connected to the charger. If the repair is done well, you will see an indication of the battery charge.
Okay guys, now we're done. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, read our articles on our website. Take care of yourself and until next video.